All right, this is a 2024 Honda Pilot. It's the 4th generation Pilot, model year beginning in 2023. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the transmission oil maintenance notification that pops up every time you start the car, which can get annoying. So if you change the transmission oil yourself, doing that alone will not reset this message. You're going to come into you need to come into the infotainment home screen here and reset it yourself, which is pretty easy to do. If you're not on the home screen, go ahead and hit this button right here in the upper left. And then we're going to scroll to the right and click on Vehicle Settings. Scroll to the right again and click on Maintenance Info. And I have a few other items here that need to be reset, but I'm going to click on this button that says Select Reset Items. And then we're going to go down to transmission oil. So you click on that. Would you like to reset maintenance information, transmission oil? And all you need to do is press that button, reset. I'm not going to do it yet because I have not changed my transmission oil. But that is all you need to do to reset the transmission oil notification in your 4th generation Honda Pilot. Thanks for watching.